Good morning. Thank you for joining me again, and welcome to the final day of your 7-day journey of healing and inner transformation. Yesterday you learned the art of forgiveness, and I encourage you to use this practice going forward on your journey. By now, you have likely realized the incredible power that lies within you. Indeed, it is the very reason I created my website Doorway to You, for it encapsulates the immense energy that lies within each of us once we are willing and ready to step through and access it. For me, Doorway to You signifies an opening to your soul, that infinite light inside you that connects you to the very source of all life and wants you to live each moment with happiness, joy, peace, and love. The themes and energies you have explored this week lay the foundation for your journey of healing. One which, in my belief, continues for life. As I created this series, I too gained wider perspectives and insights into my own healing journey, and was given the opportunity to revisit areas of my own life that require healing. And that is the true beauty of the healing journey. We are all in this together. While our paths may differ, our destination remains the same. We all seek true inner peace, joy, and love in our lives. And when we become aware of this collective journey, we can be more loving, accepting, understanding, and compassionate to ourselves and others. So for the final exercise of this week, I encourage you to go back to nature and allow Mother Earth to nurture you and help you release all of the energies of the past 7 days, while grounding you firmly on this beautiful planet. At some point today, dedicate some time to yourself and take a walk in nature. It may be by the ocean, a lake, a forest, a local park, or even just the garden in your home. Allow yourself to be at one with everything you see, hear, smell, and feel around you. Notice the birds and animals as they happily play and sing. Marvel at the trees and the plants around you. Without them, you and I, and the whole of humanity, would cease to exist. Be mindful of the interconnectedness of the world around you. Everything coexists. Nothing is separate. We are part of an ecosystem which supports all forms of life. Notice the colours that surround you. It should come as no surprise that much of our natural world is green, given that green is the colour of the energy centre or chakra of your heart, where love flows to, through, from, and around you. Embrace all its beauty and allow its healing energy to soothe your weary soul. Nature, or ecotherapy, has been scientifically proven to improve our mood and our overall well-being. And best of all, it's free and can be enjoyed by everyone. And while you are there, take a moment to appreciate and reflect on your journey this week. I would even encourage you to take your journal with you and write about anything you choose. Or if you prefer, make a voice recording on your phone. Allow your innermost thoughts to flow without fear or judgment. This is your sacred space, and you are free to express yourself however you choose. And when you have finished, take a moment to breathe in the air around you, become still, and be one with nature. The wisdom, knowledge, and self-awareness from this week's learning has provided you with a new perspective of your life and offers you the opportunity to carry these energies forward on your journey with new understanding of your powerful self-healing abilities. As a final exercise to open yourself to new opportunities and free yourself of limiting beliefs, say out loud or in your mind 3 times, I have no limits. I let go of those I have set for myself. I have no limits. I let go of those I have set for myself. I have no limits. I let go of those I have set for myself. By affirming this, you have set the intention that your future is truly limitless, and any restrictions on these limits, whether imposed by yourself or the circumstances of your life, are dissolved and released. Whenever you feel incapable of achieving your desires, repeat this statement and know that the universe will assist you in every way it can to help bring your dreams into reality. But for now, our time together has come to an end. But the positive learning we have both experienced will continue and will not only benefit our own lives, but the lives of all of those around us. Thank you for allowing me to share this experience with you and be part of your healing journey. I trust and pray that it has awakened you to the most powerful force in the universe: love. You can find out more about me and the healing services I offer at doorwaytoyou.com, where you will also find a range of resources specifically designed to help you on your own healing journey. I leave you now with the reminder that you are loved and you are love. With love, light, and infinite blessings. Namaste.